thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be colouring in my Christine Karrons book, Wildflower Folk. You guys would have seen me do the other picture the other week. Well, it was actually a couple of weeks ago now, but yep, I'll link the video to her if you'd like to watch it. Today I'm just going to go on to the second page called Angel Eyes, and I've decided to use the Macaron colours by Brutfuner. Absolutely loving these things. They are so soft and squishy, so much like a Prismacolor. You know how you can really mush your colours together? Very much like those. And I absolutely adore the colours that they've come in with. So because she is an angel, I'll probably be going, you know, more of your cloud blues, because, you know, she's up in the clouds, she's an angel. So, I don't know, but more than likely more of a pink cheruby kind of face instead of a blue face like I did with the Wondrous Folk, that frost chick that I did. I can also link to her as well if you'd like to see that one. I'm actually quite happy with that one. But anyway, today we're doing Angel Eyes with the Brutfuner Macaron coloured pencils. So I'm going to flip you over into time lapse and we'll get into it, and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright. did, you would have seen me erasing the hair that I had started with. It was just turning out too bright and everything. I wanted her eyes, obviously, to be the focal point because she's called Angel Eyes, and it was just not the look that I was going for. So those Brutfuner Macaron pencils actually rubbed out really, really well, and I feathered around where I was doing that background shading that Christine had put in, and that feathered out quite nicely. I liked that. So yeah, I showed my daughter and asked her what did she think of it, and she said it looks very pearlescent. I was like, cool, just the look I was going for. So what do you guys reckon? You like it? Has it inspired you to colour with pastel colours, or go and buy yourself a pack of those Brutfuner Macarons? They honestly are seriously so nice to colour with. They're just really soft and they do what you want, even as bright as you don't want. I did have to pull in the dark blue from the Brutfuner skin set that I've got as well, because the Macarons obviously don't have that bright or darker colour. So, but that was the only colour, and obviously my white Uniball pen to help with a few little white spots, but nothing major. But other than that, yeah, I'm actually really, really happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. See yas!